Section 8.8, number 21, we're looking for a common denominator so that we can add these two fractions. To find a common denominator, it's helpful to factor the two denominators. So we're looking for a way to factor x squared minus 3x plus 2. I'm thinking x times x makes x squared. I know I'm going to need a double minus because they need to multiply to make positive 2, but they then need to combine to make negative 3. I think 2 and 1 will do the trick because negative 1x and negative 2x combine to make negative 3x, and negative 2 times negative 1 makes positive 2. So that is the new version of the denominator for the first fraction. For the fraction on the right, this is the difference of two perfect squares. And anytime that happens, you have an x times x and a 1 times 1. If you make 1 plus and 1 minus, they cancel out when you FOIL, and that's why there's no x in the middle. When you look here, it's x squared plus 0x minus 1. And again, that's caused by the minus 1x and the plus 1x. So we have our two denominators, and we look at what they don't have in common. Well, the one on the right has an x minus 1, and the one on the left does, so that's what they do have in common. I was looking for what they don't have in common. The one on the left doesn't have the red x plus 1, so you give it to the bottom and the top. So now they do have that in common. The only thing missing from the one on the right now that the one on the left has is the x minus 2 in green. So you give that to the top and the bottom. Now the denominator is in common. It's those three factors. X plus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 1. So here's our common denominator. In the numerator, we're going to expand. We're going to distribute up here. So this is x cubed plus x squared. And this is 3x squared minus 6x. So as we're adding, we want to combine any like terms up there in blue. The x cubed is by itself. It doesn't have a like term. The x squared and the 3x squared combine to make 4x squared. And the minus 6x is a standalone all by itself like that. It has nothing to combine with. So that's it. That's what you get when you add those two fractions.